Hello and welcome back, everyone. This is Mr. Nikul, and we are in the continuation with the previous video of antibiotics. But today we'll be starting the category that is tetracycline, under which there are two drugs, mainly doxycycline and minocycline. We'll see their stability, use, formulations in which they are available, and the popular brand names of the drugs coming under tetracycline, that is mainly doxycycline and minocycline. Let's start with the session. First is doxycycline. Doxycycline, the stability and storage is it has to be stored in a well closed container that is away from the moisture. Then the uses are mainly in the uremic patients, means the patients which are having the problem related to their urinary system, in which the infections outside the urinary tract are mainly preferred, and it is usually eradicating the gonococcal urethritis. The formulation in which the doxycycline is available is mainly tablets, that is dispersible tablets, and doxycycline hydrochloride tablets. Now the popular brand names of the doxycycline are mainly Tetradox, Doxycyp, Doxt, and Novadox. Now the another drug, that is minocycline. The stability and the storage is the same, that is it has to be stored in a well closed airtight container. Then the uses are it is used to treat the inflammatory lesions of acne vulgaris, acne, that is the pimples what you all call commonly. Then the second use is used to treat mycoplasma pneumoniae and chlamydotrichomonasis. Then the formulations of which the minocycline is available, that is in the capsule form and tablet form, and the popular brand names are Amzic, Minosine, Solodine, Zimino, and Zilixi. So this was for today. Thank you and have a good day.